Hey there, food lovers. Today, we're going to learn how to make a scrumptious beef pulao. This dish is perfect for those who love the rich flavors of biryani, but want something a bit different. So, let's jump right in and start cooking. First, let's fry our soaked rice until it turns golden brown. Next, we'll add some oil and butter to the pan and continue frying until the rice becomes light golden. Now, it's time to add all of our spices: ginger, garlic paste, green chilies, cashew nuts, and cinnamon stick. Continue frying until the spices release their aroma. Then, add in your beef mince and fry until it turns light brown. At this point, we can start pouring in a mixture of oil and ghee into the pan. Make sure you season your beef well with salt before adding 1 cup of boiled basmati rice to the mix. Now comes the fun part, stirring. Keep stirring until the rice is well coated in the flavorful mixture. Finally, pour in 1 more cup of water and ghee into the pan and let it cook for 5 minutes on low heat. And there you have it, a delicious beef pulao ready to be enjoyed by everyone at your table. Thanks for joining me on this culinary journey. If you enjoyed this recipe and want to see more delicious dishes like this one, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Happy cooking, everyone!